FPS or refresh rate? What is the difference? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. The difference is nothing. FPS stands for frame per second, which means if it is 30 FPS, there are 30 frames or pictures per second on that video. Meanwhile, refresh rate or hertz is how often or how fast something can refresh. Like for the example, this monitor can refresh its pictures 240 times per second. I really recommend you the video from Slow-Mo guys. As seen in this video, you can see old TV change its pictures from top to bottom, which cannot be seen with your naked eye. And you can also see in this same video how recent monitor is changing frames. So now the question is, how many refresh rate or hertz do I need for my computer? So actually the answer is kinda depends on your need. Like for example, if your need is only to watch movie, then 60 Hz monitor is enough for you, because a lot of movies now on the maximum FPS of 60. But if you need the monitor with higher refresh rate because you are a pro player in something like CS or PUBG that can produce more than 200 FPS, then 240 Hz monitor is good for you. However, you have to understand how many FPS your computer can handle. Like for example, you are playing PUBG with high setting and the maximum FPS your computer can handle is 90. There is no point you buy 240 Hz monitor, because when the monitor want to refresh the frames or pictures, your computer doesn't produce new frames or new pictures to be displayed on the monitor. This is the example how higher FPS and higher refresh rate can affect your gaming experience or your movie experience. And this is 60 FPS video that I added to 3 types of FPS, which is low to high FPS. Alright guys, I hope this video can help you decide which monitor is the best for you and save your budget. And until next time.